Ayurveda says, your morning routine shapes your day and your health. A glass of warm water every morning activates your internal systems. It gently wakes up your digestive system and prepares it for the day. Warm water helps flush out ama, the toxins in Ayurveda. It rehydrates you after a long night without water. Cold water shocks the system. Warm water blends with your body. It gently boosts metabolism, helping with energy and weight. It supports detoxification through liver and kidney cleansing. Warm water can reduce bloating and support regular bowel movements. It calms your nervous system, especially when sipped slowly. Warm water goes great with morning yoga and meditation. It gives you clean, gentle energy for the entire day. Helps you feel full and supports weight loss when consistent. This ancient wisdom has helped people for thousands of years. Using a copper vessel can increase benefits, according to Ayurveda. Make it a ritual. Your body will thank you. Avoid cold drinks in the morning. Stick to warm or room temperature. Even Ayurvedic experts swear by this daily habit. Safe and beneficial for both young and old. Like, share, and subscribe for more ancient wellness secrets.